Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the new Apple iPad Pro which I recently bought, and I did the unboxing in the Reliance Digital store itself, so not much content covered, but yes, I've done the unboxing there itself because they had to show it directly to us by opening the box and all the contents we have seen in the box. So without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, this is the iPad Pro 128GB variant. This I just bought in the Reliance Digital and unboxing it here itself. So let's peel it off to check the contents and all in the store. So there's a short video. It says all the contents, all the description is written, and it's tight. Need to just pull it slightly. Let's see. So, and this is how it unboxes, and here is the device. Whoa, this is great. So this is the iPad Pro, space gray. I have two cameras at the back, and let's keep this aside. Let's see what all we get in the box. This is a pouch section. Basically you get some paperwork in this, warranty guide, and some manual instructions basically. And here we get the charger. Nothing is mentioned on the charger. This is probably 20-watt charger, and this is a type C to type C cable. Yes guys, iPads have type C. This is good. So let's keep everything aside, and this is the iPad Pro. Looks really good, the build quality and all. Let's peel this off. And speakers at the top, it's a quad speaker setup. It has type C port, as you can see, and volume rockers on the right side, and power on off button at the top. It uses Face ID guys. So that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It was an unboxing video, so we did not get time to open it, boot it up, and then see all the options, see the iOS version, this and that, exactly what is the software build, what all apps are installed, everything. I haven't checked it out, but it was just an unboxing in the store itself, so I had shot it there and there. So definitely I'll be doing a review video later, so stay tuned to my channel and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.